Lambu and Tingu were always up to something. But this time around, Lambu and Tingu were jobless for a very long time. Both of them were penniless. Lambu and Tingu were looking for some business idea that could get them good returns.
Brother Tingu, we have no money. I haven't eaten out in so many days, you know that. Now do something. Think of something.
Oh, come on, you just came up with an idea.
Lambu couldn't understand anything. He got really confused.
What do you mean, Tingu?
Oh, you just mentioned something like a hotel.
Why are you joking, Tingu? How can we start a hotel?
So what, if not hotel, at least we can start a tea shop.
That's when Lambu understood what Tingu was trying to say.
Oh, that's a very good idea, Tingu. We can definitely start a tea shop. At the corner, my uncle has a small place. We can start a small tea shop.
Perfect. So I'll arrange now for the other things.
Lambu and Tingu gather all the other essentials such as vessels, stove, milk, teacups and loads of other things. Lambu mentioned that he had his uncle's shop at the square. They both arrive over there. They set up their tea stall and decorate their tea stall very nicely. That's when they get all the passers-by attention.
Wow, you have set up a very well place. Just one thing is missing. And what would that be, Kailash? Huh? Your shop needs a nice name, you know.
Oh, I never thought about this. Okay, Mr. Kailash, you suggest a nice name.
Kailash thinks for something and then suggests.
Lambu Tingu Special Tea. What do you think about this name? This is a great suggestion.
So, Lambu and Tinku's first specialty for you, Mr. Kailash, and that too for free.
They all start laughing. Kailash has his tea and leaves. Slowly and steadily, Lambu and Tingu have increased number of customers. And their name spreads around in the nearby village for their specialty. People come from far off places. Everyone comes to enjoy their tea.
Is this Lambu Tingu's special tea shop?
Yes, this is the shop. Tell me, how can we help you? Oh, we have come from Dhanakpur. We have heard a lot about your tea. So we thought that today let us go there and have tea.
You have done the right thing. Come over. Come and have a seat. We'll get you tea.
Haridas and Surdas like the tea very much. Since they have come from so far, Tingu doesn't take money from them and they both go away very happily. Lambu and Tingu would often not take money from their customers or would tell them to pay later. On seeing this, some villagers trying to take some advantage and start drinking tea on credit.
Oh, Mr. Lambu, give me a tea. Listen, I just forgot to get my wallet in a rush. No problem, Kishore. We will keep a note of it. You can pay it later. Yeah, I'll pay later.
A lot of people started to do this and Lambu and Tingu continued to give on credit.
Oh, Tingu, tell me how much do I have to repay for my entire tab?
Wait, let me tell. Yes, 420 rupees.
Okay, add this tea to the credit tab. I will repay as soon as I have some money.
Okay.
And like this, Lambu and Tingu had a lot of outstanding money to get from people. And now it was bothering Lambu and Tingu.
Lambu, if people keep having tea on credit and don't pay, then we both will soon be in a debt. And then we'll have to shut down our business.
Don't worry, Tingu. I will do something.
Lambu calls everyone who has to repay and tells them that tomorrow they will get free tea. And then Kishore, Pratik, Nirandar and many more turn up to the tea stall.
I've heard you're offering free tea today. Even otherwise, you are having free here.
Oh, not free. We have tea on credit. We will repay. When will you repay?
Arey, we'll give. You're not going to run away. Come on, bring tea.
Lambu goes and shuts the door to the tea shop. And the people who had not repaid, he thrashes them black and blue. Everyone starts shouting.
Hey Lambu, what the hell are you doing?
Oh, why are you beating us? Here, take some more. You don't want to pay up. Here, get some more thrashing.
Run, run! Lambu has gone mad!
Everyone runs away and no one hasn't still paid up. Tingu now understands that they will not be able to recover the money. He plans something to get the money.
Lambu, I have a super plan to recover our money.
What plan, Tingu brother?
Oh, you just wait and watch.
Tingu gets a big cup from the potter and he places this cup at the table in the tea stall.
Such a big cup? What will you do of this, bro?
We'll fill this with special tea and we'll keep a special offer for our customers who have to repay us.
What special offer?
If they finish this tea, then all they owe us will be waived off. But if they fail, then they'll have to clear all the debts right away.
Just as Tingu had planned, Lambu spreads the word about the special offer. And in the greed to clear off the debt, all of them arrive at the tea stall.
Oh, we just have to have so much tea and our debt will be waived off.
Yes, yes. Whoever wants to have tea can have it.
Oh, that's it. I will finish this tea in just a jiffy. Okay, then let's get started.
With a lot of zeal, Nirandar starts to have the tea, but doesn't have too much.
Oh no, I just can't finish this. Then clear our dues immediately. Okay, here you take your money.
Nirandar pays up and leaves, but the others still stay back and agree to have the debt waived off. Each one tries to finish the tea, but no one is able to complete. And as they agreed, they have to repay the debt in full.
Oh, Tingu, now let us go. We will never have tea on credit here.
Here, take your entire money. I'll have to leave now.
Tingu's idea worked very well. They had managed to recover all the money that the customers owed.
Brother Tingu, but why were they not able to finish the tea? Please tell me.
This cup looks small from the outside, but it is very deep inside. Hence, no one was able to finish the tea.
Lambu and Tingu recovered so much money in one day that they decided to open up a bigger tea shop. And they named it Lambu Tingu Special Tea. Lambu Tingu's special tea shop becomes very popular. People would come from far off places to have tea over there. They would enjoy the tea and go back and share stories about Lambu Tingu's tea stall and tea shop. This is how popular Lambu and Tingu's tea stall was. Their stories were shared to far off places by all their customers.